How to check available storage on the Apple Watch 9. First, let's go back to the watch face by pressing on the crown button. Then press on the crown button again to go into the app screen. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and then tap on General, then tap on About. And from here, use the crown button to scroll down and check for available storage. And on my watch, it shows I have 56.32 gigabytes left. On your iPhone, you can also check for that information. Now in here, simply go into your app screen, go into your library. So in the app library, you can go into Apple Watch. So open up the Apple Watch. And in Apple Watch, tap on My Watch, then tap on General. Next, tap on About. And then we scroll down in here, you'll be able to find the available storage left, or the memory left on the Apple Watch. And that's it. So it shows I have 56.32 as well. And finally, you can swipe up to return back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.